Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to use the perspective transform tool. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is understand that there is a couple of different things on the left side here, but one of them is the warp transformation, and then this is going to be essentially like the perspective tool. So I can find it here. Just making sure. Okay, so yes, this is the protective. So when you click on a picture, all that it's essentially warping is its perspective to the person watching it. So like as you see, like now it's like as if the person watching it was from this angle, right? And you can grab any angle, and if you readjust it with the top angle of the picture, or with the correct angle of the picture, it'll go correct. But if you move any angle closer to the center, instead of like shrinking the picture, it'll warp its perspective to that. So now I can move both sides of this closer to the center, and as you see, it does a bunch of different like kind of cool stuff. Now the thing is though, I believe it goes off of what you moved first. So as you see, I got that, and then I move this down here, and then I move this up here. As you see, the picture is going to be different than if I moved this to the middle, or if I move this to right here, and then I move this to right here, if that makes sense. So it just goes off of what you move first, and then you can kind of make some pretty cool effects with that kind of stuff. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you.